Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying core compatibility. Make sure Adobe Media Encoder and the host app are updated and running the same major build. Once done, close any GPU-heavy apps and background encoders to free resources and avoid device conflicts. Then open the project and inspect the sequence or composition settings, frame size, frame rate, codec, and bitrate, and set them to match the source. This reduces format conversion errors. If you see mismatch warnings, change export preset to a matching profile before queuing. You need to narrow the fault. Export a short 5 to 10 second range of the timeline to your disk. Once done, examine that clip. If it exports, the issue is likely a clip or effect later in the timeline. Next, change codec or container and toggle hardware acceleration off to force software encoding. This often avoids driver or GPU bugs. Also inspect media for offline or corrupted files and disable third-party plugins, because unsupported effects frequently cause compile failures. You finish by pre-rendering and replacing any heavy segments. Render nested sequences or effects-heavy portions to intermediates and relink them in the timeline. This reduces live processing. If issues persist, reset Adobe Media Encoder preferences, clear media cache, and update or reinstall GPU drivers and codec packs. As a reliable fallback, export an intermediate high-quality file such as DNxHR or ProRes. Then transcode that file to your delivery codec. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.